Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll tackle a common problem that Delphi users face when trying to create a version.rc file without setting up a whole pipeline. The problem arises when you want a simple solution for running code whenever Delphi builds an executable to generate that file. We'll be focusing on Delphi 10.3 for this demonstration. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. You can make use of the build events found in the project options under building. There are 3 event groups available, one before the project is built, one before the linker is called, and one after the build is complete. In this case, we'll be using the pre-build events. You can specify a program or batch file as a command to create your RC file. Detailed information on this can be found in the documentation provided in the link. Solution time. By using the pre-build events in Delphi project options, you can execute code to create a version.rc file whenever an executable is built. This saves you from setting up a complicated pipeline and streamlines the process for you. Remember, preparation is key, so make sure to set up the command correctly in the pre-build events to ensure the seamless creation of your RC file. In summary, we've covered how to efficiently address the need for a version.rc file creation without the hassle of setting up a pipeline. By utilizing the pre-build events in Delphi 10.3, you can automate the process and focus on your development tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, coding with Delphi can be fun and straightforward with the right tools at your disposal.